Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no audio output devices connected to your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for troubleshoot. And from here, in best matches, you'll find the troubleshoot settings. Just click on that. From here, at the bottom, you see additional troubleshooters. Just click on that. From here, under Get Up and Running, you'll see Playing Audio Troubleshooter. Just click on that. Then just click on Run the Troubleshooter. Let it detect the problem. Just give it some time. It's gonna ask you which of the device you're having problem with. Just select that and click on Next. Then just wait and it's gonna give you some enhancement. Click on Yes and it will add those enhancements for you. Then just close this, and even after that, if it doesn't get fixed, what you have to do is just right click on the start button, then just go to the device manager, just expand the window. From here, just expand the sound, video, and game controllers, and right click on them and click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. It's gonna update you to the latest driver. Do it for all the sound and audio devices. And after that, just close this. Then what you have to do is, here at the bottom right corner, click on the sound button, right click on it, and click on sounds. And from here, just go back to playback, and make sure your main speaker is selected to default. And after that, just right click on it, and click on properties. Then just go to levels, make sure it is set to a higher level. Also make sure it's not muted from here. Then just go to enhancement. If your sound is low, you can turn on the bass boost. And if you want loudness, you can also turn this on. You can play around with this kind of settings from here and see which is the best for you. And then just click on OK. Click on OK from here as well. And the last step which you can follow is just go to search and search for services. From the best matches, open it up. Then just search for Windows Audio. There you go. Just right click on it. Click on properties. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. And then just stop it, click on yes, and wait for it to stop, and then just start it back again. Just wait for it to start. Then just click on OK. After that, just right click on Windows Audio Endpoint, and just right click on it, make sure startup type is set to audio, and then just stop it, click on yes, and wait for it to stop, and then just start it back again. Just wait for it to start. Then just click on OK. Then just close this. And after that, just go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix no audio output device connected to your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.